Take your game design skills to the next level with Yumi Academy's Video Game Designer Level 2 course. Open up your creativity in Lesson 1 as you learn how to make your own custom sprites. Lesson 2 takes you to a mysterious dungeon where you'll learn challenging new enemy behaviors. In Lesson 3, you'll blast off on a space adventure where you'll fight to survive a series of deadly puzzles. In Lesson 4, you'll be working with advanced spawners as you pilot a spaceship through a treacherous asteroid field. Lesson 5 is all about teleporters as you learn how to navigate a complex world of challenges and rewards. Join us at Yumi Academy and become a video game designer.